How to buy Airalo eSIM. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up the official website of Airalo, and over there you should be able to find this option of login or sign up. Simply log into your account or sign up for a new account if you don't have any. After that, you will have to search for the country where you are traveling to and search for it and select that particular country. And after selecting that particular country, you should be able to see all the plans available for that particular country related to your internet charges. Simply select any particular plan of internet for that particular country and select it. After that, you need to choose your payment method that you want to use in order to pay for that particular plan. After completing your order, you should be able to see all the confirmation details regarding your order, and you should be able to see an email from the Airalo about your plan. And just go to eSIM details, and over there you would be able to see all the plan details, and also install eSIM in your device by following the instructions given on eSIM detail page, and this way you would be able to buy the Airalo eSIM. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.